In this video, we'll be looking at a word problem. So the question states that Suling spent 3/8 of her money on brushes and 40% of the remaining money on 24 identical books. If 4 books cost as much as 3 brushes, how many brushes did she buy? Okay, so let's first write down the data. It states that she spends 3/8 of her money on brushes and 40% of the remaining money on books. So first we have to see what the remaining money is. The total amount will be 8/8 and 3/8 of it is used for brushes. So 5/8 is the remaining amount. Now 40% of this remainder is used for 24 identical books. So 40% is used for 24 identical books, meaning they all have the same price. Then the question states that 4 books cost as much as 3 brushes. So the price of 4 books is equal to the price of 3 brushes. And now we have to find how many brushes she bought at the beginning. Okay, so first let's see let's bring the amount which is spent on the books to a fraction. The amount is 40% of 5/8. So we have to bring this to a single fraction so that we can compare it with this fraction, 3/8. So this can be done by simplifying 5. So we'll get 25/100. Now this fraction will be easier if we bring it to this form with a denominator of 8. So 25/100 can be written as 1/4 and that can be written as 2/8. Now we can compare both of it. This is 3/8 and this is 2/8. So 3/8 of the money is spent for brushes, 2/8 of the money is spent for books. How many books is 24 books, and we have to find how many brushes she bought. Okay, so now let's look at the comparison that they make. They say that 4 books is equal to 3 brushes. If 4 books is equal to 3 brushes, let's see how many brushes 24 books is equal to, because that's the number of books which she buys. So 24 books is equal to into 6 into 6, it's equal to 18 brushes. We know that she has spent 2/8 of her money to buy 24 books, which is equivalent to 18 brushes. So can we say that she spent 2/8 of her money to buy 18 brushes? We can, because 24 books is equal to 18 brushes, and this is the amount which she spent for 24 books. So now that we know this, we can find how many brushes she can buy with 1/8 of her money, and that is 9 brushes. She spent 3/8 of her money. So 3/8 of her money can be used to buy 9 into 3, which is 27 brushes. So in this problem, they have given very little amount of data, and with that we have found out that she has bought 27 brushes.